Alright, so hello guys, today I'll be showing how to make two different kinds of game cards for maths. Alright, it's for teaching uh tracing, okay, for learning numbers, for counting numbers, for tracing numbers, for shading, number matching and all that. Okay, I also show you how to use these cards to teach number 1 to 10 with various kinds of games. Alright, so the first one, get a lid like this of a small container, alright, and make 10 circles. Okay, you can do circles, you can even do 20 circles, depends on your kid. Look at that. Now the second game card, you need two A4 papers, then make tabulation like this. So for 10 squares, now go ahead and divide each of the square into 2 equal parts. See that? Yeah, so do that for all the 10 squares. All right, and so now get colorful markers, very important to make it attractive to the learner, and write number 1 to 10 on one side each of the square. Okay, write number 1 to 10, then laminate these cards. You look at that, these are the laminated cards. All right, so next you're gonna cut them as seen in the video. Look at that. Yes, 1 2 3 and all. So you cut that. Yes, that's the final product. You cut that for the first one as well that contains those circles. Also cut it and have it this way. So we have our game cards ready. So how to use these cards for lessons? So you can do tracing. Yeah, the kids can learn to write the numbers by tracing on the numbers directly with any colored marker as seen here. You see, it's laminated, so no cause for alarm. And you can clean it off. So easy. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Also, you can do number counting. You can show the kid the number and the kid can make dots with marker for the corresponding number. Look at that. 1 2 3 4. You can also clean it off again. You can even draw objects in the correct numbers. Okay. All right, you can also use counters. Okay, that's 8 for example. So the kid will put the number of counters to the corresponding number. Here you put 8 counters: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can also use pom pom to count this. Look at that. This is beautiful. All right, you can also use that counting sticks, okay, to demonstrate or to show the corresponding number you are showing to the learner. This is quite interesting and easy. Good. So for the circles, you can show the learner a number and he or she will go ahead to shade the correct number of circles for the numbers shown as seen in the video here. Look at that. Wow, two circles were shaded. Wow. All right, next you can clean it off. Of course, you can roll the dice. Yeah, look at that. That's what number 3. So shade the portion of the circles to the corresponding number showing on the die. That's it. Wow. So these games are quite interesting. You can also show a number and the kid would use the counters on the circles to show the numbers or the number you're showing as seen here. Look at that. That's great. So that's it. Thank you.